Hello, I'm your teacher Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's 2-minute English lesson. The first phrase we will look at today is, I'm not going. Here's the situation. Last week, your friend invited you to her party. You see your friend today. Your friend looks at you and smiles, and she asks you, "Can you go to my party?" You want to go to the party, but you can't because you have to work. So you look at your friend and you say, "I'm not going." Then your friend looks at you very strangely, and she gets a little sad. Why? Here, the problem is with the nuance of saying, "I'm not going." Grammatically, there's no problem. But saying, "I'm not going," can be very rude and direct if you're not careful. In this situation, you sound like a young child. Maybe the child doesn't want to go to the dentist. The child looks at the mother and father and says, "I'm not going, and you can't make me." Instead of saying, "I'm not going," you should use some of these phrases. "I'm afraid I can't go." "I can't go." "I won't be able to go." "I'd like to, but I can't go." And if you want to sound even better, use one of the phrases above, but also add a reason. For example, "I'm afraid I can't go. I have to work." "I can't go. I have to have dinner with my parents." "I won't be able to go. I have to babysit my sister." "I'd like to, but I can't go." That's it for today's super short lesson. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more English speaking videos. I'm your teacher Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.